In a cozy meadow bathed in sunlight lived a small fluffy bunny named Benny. Benny loved playing with his friends, Pip and Squeak, near the old oak tree, but a secret fear held him back. He was terrified of exploring beyond the familiar meadow. One day, while hopping near the meadow's edge, a soft chirp chirp pierced the air. Curiosity, stronger than his fear, urged him forward. He followed the sound to a thicket of blackberry bushes, where he saw a tiny bird, its wing tangled in thorny branches. The little bird chirped weakly, its tiny body trembling. Benny's heart ached for the frightened creature. He wanted to help, but a wave of panic washed over him. "What if I get stuck too?" he whispered to himself, his whiskers twitching nervously. He remembered his mother's gentle words. True courage isn't the absence of fear, but acting despite it. Helping others, even when you're scared, makes you stronger. Taking a deep breath, Benny pushed aside his fear. Carefully, he began nibbling at the thorny twigs, his tiny teeth working diligently. Pip and Squeak, initially hesitant, watched from a safe distance, their eyes wide with concern and admiration. Slowly, painstakingly, Benny freed the bird's wing. The little bird, now free, chirped happily, its eyes bright with gratitude. "Thank you," it squeaked, its voice filled with relief. "You are so brave." Benny, his heart swelling with pride, watched as the bird flew back to its nest nestled high in the oak tree. He hopped back towards his friends, Pip and Squeak rushing to greet him. That day, Benny discovered something profound. Helping the bird had not only saved a life but had also conquered his own fear. He realized that kindness and courage were intertwined, and that facing his fears made him stronger than he ever thought possible. From that day on, Benny continued to explore, his heart filled with bravery and the sweet memory of his act of kindness.